Sometimes I get something in my head as far as composition goes, and it doesn't really work later on. When I photograph it, it looks fine to me. I think it makes sense, but later on, nah, not really. So in this image, I put her head dead center, but everything about her is to the left, and there's just a big blank space on the right. So it tends to draw your eye over there, expecting to see something there, but there's really nothing there of importance. So I had to fix it. I took this image too, and same problem here, but at least it gave me a little bit more to work with on the left for her leg. That I'll show you what I did in the next image. But basically I took her right leg on the grass because it's extended, and I used that to stretch out the other image to the left. And that's what I did here. So I used that second image for her leg on the ground and then cropped it more to the left. It's not perfect. I'd still like to have her head more to the right, but it's better than it was before. So sometimes we get these things in our head and we find out later on, no, just stick with the convention